Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop the Microsoft 365 Copilot app from running in the background even after you close it. If your Copilot keeps restarting automatically, this simple setting will fix it. Let's get started. First, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and open the Windows System tray. Here, you'll notice the Microsoft 365 Copilot icon running in the background. Click on the Copilot icon to open the app window. Now, move to the bottom left corner and click the three dots right next to your account icon. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. Once you're in the settings, click on the Pinning and Start tab on the left side. Here you'll see an option called On Close, Keep the app running. Simply turn this off to stop Copilot from running in the background after you close it. Now when you close Copilot, it will fully shut down and stop using your system resources. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows and AI tips. Drop a comment below if you'd like to learn more Copilot tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.